Hey guys, I'm here. This is my YouTube channel, The Garden Givers. So, guys, I hope you all will be fine. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like my video. Today, my topic is trellises, screen, and other partition for zoning the garden. Trellises, screen, and other partition can be excellent tools for zoning your garden and creating distance area within the space. They offer a variety of benefit including privacy, defining boundaries, adding vertical interest, and creating microclimates. Here are some common types of trellises, screen, and partition you can use in your garden. Number one is trellises. Trellises are a structure that support climbing plants, allowing them to grow vertically. They can be made of wood, metal, or PVC and come in various styles such as arched, fan shape, or grid like trestles. Trellises can be stand-alone structure or attached to walls or fence. Garden screens. Garden screens are versatile and can serve multiple purposes. They can be made of wood, bamboo, metal, or even fabric. Screen can be used to create privacy, block unsightly views, or act as a windbreaks. They are they are available in different highlights and designed from solid panel to lattice partners patterns. So, living walls. Living walls, also known as green walls or vertical garden or partition covered with vegetation. They can be made using modular system where plants are grown in container attached to a frame by using climbing plants that cover a trestle or mesh. Yeah, it's also